Hey guys, I'm Maria Hasmi from the Martiniere for Girls. I'm in class 10 and I was wondering why stars twinkle at night. Is it because of magic? Nope, it's because of refraction of light.
This is reciproc, this is neutral, and this is basic.
We built our very own CD circuit. Full heartbeat happens every 0.85 seconds.
Tray is because light reflects off of the tray and enters our eyes.
Also does so because of heat and gravity. Now, what exactly is refraction? Refraction is the change in the direction of path of light when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Now, what causes refraction? Refraction occurs when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, and due to the difference in the optical densities between the rarer medium and the denser medium, the speed of light changes. So, when light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, the speed of light slows down, and when it travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, the speed of light increases. That one was a little bit of a joke. Let me tell you in simple language. Think of traveling in your car on the road. You're going smoothly, the road is not crowded today, so you're traveling briskly. Suddenly imagine that the road gets super congested after a certain point. So there are cars, there are pedestrians, there are bikes, magazine sellers, so you don't have any other option but to slow down so that you don't kill someone. Well, light thinks the same way. When it is traveling from a less dense or a less congested medium, it can go fast, but when it travels in a congested medium, it slows down. So, it is this change in the speed of light which causes it to bend in direction that we call refraction. Okay, let's get back to the twinkling of stars. The stars exist above the layers of our atmosphere. There are many such layers in the atmosphere and they all have different densities. As we go higher, the density decreases, and as we go lower, the density increases. That's why the lighter atmosphere floats above the denser atmosphere. But this tussle of lighter and heavier air keeps happening, and air is always moving. Now, when light is traveling from outside the atmosphere to us on the surface, it is traveling from a less congested or rarer medium to a more congested or denser medium. That is what causes it to continuously refract and bend. And since the air is moving, the stars also appear to be wobbling or twinkling. Okay, so that's exactly why stars twinkle at night. Some other applications of refraction are the apparent bending of a pencil kept in water, and also that when a coin is placed in water, it seems to be a bit raised. So yeah, you all can try it out at home too, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.